we divide 961 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 is 8. On subtracting we get 1. So now we put down this 6 and it is 16. So 2 times 8 is 16. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 1 and 2 times 0 means 0. On subtracting we get 1. So now there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 961 divided by 2 is 480 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.